create a new Google Sheet, you can either go to sheets.google.com, or in your drive you can click on New and go to Google Sheets, or again you can also click on your little waffle here and go to Google Sheets. So here's my untitled spreadsheet. I can also view and upload Excel spreadsheets. I'm not going to take the time to upload one, but you just click on New, File, Upload, and then you would go to the sheet that you want, the Excel spreadsheet that you want, and upload it. So I already did that, and you can view them as an Excel spreadsheet. And this is what it would look like. However, you can also open it with Google Sheets, and it will transfer all your data into a Google Sheet, and that will also show up in your drive separately. So there we are. There's your entitled spreadsheet. And then if you want to rename this spreadsheet, all you have to do is click up here in the top, and you can rename your spreadsheet. It might help if I could spell, but you can also save your file. All your changes do get saved, so you don't have to worry about that. However, if you want to move it to a different place, you can move your file to a different place. And you can download a file or make a copy of a file. So if I want to make a copy, I just go to File, Make a Copy, and then it'll say Copy of the Practice, and then I can change the folder that I'm at. I can also share it. I can copy the comments, and then I just click OK, and it will copy it. And so in my drive now, I should see the copy. I do, and I have a whole bunch of spreadsheets here that I just did. The last thing that you can do is you can download your spreadsheets. So if I had a bunch of data in here and I wanted to download this, all I would have to do is go to File, Download As, and then you have lots of choices. You can download it as an Excel, an open document, PDF, a web page, comma separated, a CSV, or a TSV file. So you can download it into any of those files and then save it on your desktop or wherever you want to save it on your computer. So that's the basics of creating a Google Sheet.